In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a DocuSign envelope. So if you're ready to follow along, let's get started on this quick and useful digital task. First, you'll want to navigate to your DocuSign account, and specifically, you'll need to head over to what's called the Agreements tab. This is essentially your home base on DocuSign, where all of your important documents are neatly organized and stored. Whether you're managing ongoing agreements, checking on completed ones, or looking to adjust existing setups, the Agreements tab is your go-to spot. Once you're comfortably situated within the Agreements tab, you'll next want to locate the specific envelope whose ownership you wish to transfer. Now, you might be asking, why would I need to transfer ownership? This can be important if you're passing administrative duties to another team member, or if there's been a change in roles within your organization. DocuSign makes this process straightforward, but it's crucial to follow each step closely to ensure a smooth transition. After finding your target envelope, direct your attention to the three dots icon. This small, seemingly unassuming icon is typically located to the right of your selected envelope. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a list of options tied to that particular envelope. It's like unlocking a menu of possibilities for managing your document further. Once you see this list, you'll want to select the option labeled Transfer Ownership. This is the key action that will allow you to reassign the oversight and administrative capabilities of the envelope to someone else. It's a quick click, but it sets in motion the process of finding new stewardship for that document. Next, you'll be required to choose the new owner. It's essential to note that you can only transfer ownership to someone who is already involved in the envelope. This means they should be already listed as a recipient or participant in the document process. This security feature ensures that the handover is done within a recognized circle, maintaining the integrity and privacy of the document transaction. And just like that, you've successfully navigated the transfer of ownership in DocuSign. The process itself is straightforward once you know where to go and what to do. With these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly transition or delegate document responsibilities whenever needed. Don't forget that managing digital documents efficiently is a crucial part of workflow and communication in the digital age. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to like the video or leave a comment with any questions or suggestions you might have. Keep an eye out for more tutorials on how to make the most of your digital tools. And until next time, keep everything running smoothly.